Hi kids! For our art this week, we're going to make a toy car. And if you have a used roll tissue at home, you can use it as well. So let's make it. Okay, so these are the things that we are going to use to make our toy car. The first one is for the body of the car. And these two, you need to pay attention carefully because the other one is bigger than the other one. Okay, so if you see a sign here, there's a white sign here, it means it's bigger. Okay, so the smaller one we're going to use for the wheels. And there's another paper here. You can use it to decorate your car later on. And this one, the small thing here, we are going to use it to make the seat for the toy car. Okay, so let's begin now. Let's fold it into half and then make a little small hole to put the seat later on. Okay, that's it. Then after that, let's make a cylinder like that. Let's put the glue first. Okay. So let's glue it together. Okay, there you go. Okay, now let's cut the bigger circle first. And the other one. Okay, so we use this to close up the toy car. Okay. Okay, this is how it would. Okay, this is how you're supposed to do it. Okay, now let's cut the wheels. Two. Three and four. Okay, so now let's stick the wheels into our car. One over here. Then the other one. Another one over here. And the last one. Okay, so there you go, your car. Now we're going to just stick inside the place to sit down. Now let's decorate our car. Well, I want to make like a heart. You can make anything you like. There you go. That's a small heart. And I'm going to make a leaf. There. That's a leaf. What else can we make? How about we make a diamond? There you go. You can make as many as you want. I'll just make 3. Okay, let's stick it over here. And then over here. Okay. And the heart. Can just stick it over here. Okay, there you go. And that's your toy car.